Houston-based lifestyle brand Did It Ourselves, DIOS, founded in 2020 by rapper La Dollar and Jorge Georgie Casanova, continues to make waves in the streetwear and sneaker scene. Known for its culture-driven style and strong Texas community presence, DIOS recently teamed up with Adidas Originals to release a fresh take on the legendary Adidas Superstar XLG. Originally a friends and family exclusive, this special edition celebrates the 55th anniversary of the Superstar silhouette. The core black, true white and gold metallic design stands out with contrast stitching, canvas 3 stripes, DIOS branding, and motivational details hidden behind the tongue. With its thicker sole and extra-large proportions, the Superstar XLG delivers a bold mix of heritage and innovation. This DIOS x Adidas collaboration joins other limited releases from Wales Bonner, Halstar, and Thug Club, proving that the Superstar legacy continues to evolve with each unique drop. The black pair is now available on Adidas US.